Tapos na naman ang ating paghihirap ng isang linggo. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Kapag-relax, makapag-gym naman, exercise, sauna, swimming, ay, ay, ay. Araw ng kalayaan daw. Malaya na ba ang Pilipinas sa mga manggaganso, manggugulang, magnanakaw ng lipunan? Anyway, happy Friday. Relax tayo. Relax time. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Ay, ay, ay. Cerritos Kia. Daming mga bagong sasakyan. Pero hindi natin kailangan ng bagong sasakyan. Mahirap ang may bayarin. Buwan-buwan. At least kahit second hand, wala akong binabayaran. Ito ang ating buhay. Buhay manggagawa. May business lang tayo sa Pilipinas. Gusto lang tayo eh. Mahirap ang buhay. Ano tuloy ang laban? Yo, my man! What's up? What's going on, man? What you do? I'm good, bro. What's up? Anything for Friday? Happy Friday! Nothing much? Oh, should enjoy your Friday. Get some steak, tequila. Just enjoy a little bit of everything. 1 week of struggle. Happy Friday to you. Same to you, brother. Where you at? From where are you, bro? Ang buhay ay sadyang ganyan. Panapanahon ng Are you heading to? I'm heading to H Mart. H Mart to get tuna for Friday night. H Mart, then go to EOS Fitness Gym. I need to exercise a little bit. Then later on, we're gonna have some soju, Korean mild drink, just to relax. Soju and tuna sashimi. For Friday. Oh, I'm good. Na, na, na. No, bro, I'm not gay. It's okay to be gay, but I'm straight. I have a lot of Indian friends as well. I have a lot of Bangladesh, Indian, Bangladesh, Nepali, Bengali, Lebanese, Kuwaiti, Pakistani. Everybody's my friend. You're hardcore. Okay. I like that, man. Hardcore gag. Okay. Whatever. I have a lot of Indian friends, man. My friends. How are you? I said to my Indian friend, I said, I'm okay. Because as Filipino, when you say like that, it says no, no good or not okay. But our Indian friend says, I'm okay. Everybody okay. Did you eat? I said, yes. Because for us, Filipino, if you said, if you move your head like that, it means no or nada in Spanish. Are you? Did you eat your lunch? He said, no, brother. Yes, brother. How you doing, man? Like that. For Filipinos, we don't say we move our head like you. Did you eat? You do like that, like that. For Indian, they said like that. So Filipino way and Indian way. Filipino way said, "Where are you going, bro?" He said, "Going there." See, our lips like pointing there. Like that's a Filipino way, man. Where are you going? Yeah, going there. Pointing our mouth to the other side. Going there. For Indian friends, said, "Where are you going? Are you okay, brother?" Yes, bro. I'm okay. Yes, bro. I have those are my Indian friends. Indian friends, Bengali friends, Lebanese, Pakistani, Badu, Arabic, everybody's friend. Pakistani, Lebanese, Bengali, from Sri Lanka, from Gujarati. I have a friend from Gujarati, Mr. Patel, Hasmukh Patel. Hasmukh means jolly. Hasmukh, my friend Hasmukh Patel. How are you, Mr. Hasmukh Patel? I said, you okay? Yes, I'm okay. Why are you moving your head like that? Should be like, yes, I'm okay. Like Filipino, like this. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. But for Indian, are you okay, bro? Yes, bro, I'm okay. Yes, bro. But for Filipino, are you okay? Yes, brother. Yeah, but our friends, Indian friends, is different. But we're all friends. Everybody is nice. Indian, Bengali, Arabic, Mexican, Sri Lankan. I have a lot of friends. Okay, so everybody's equal. Everybody's equal. Equality. So I have this yin and yang. You see that yin and yang? Yeah, means equal. Yeah, I'm Filipino. This one signifies equality. You know, equality. Oh shit! I passed by. I need to go back. I miss H Mart, and I need to make a U-turn. See, if I'm talking too much, I forgot my thing. I forgot my direction. Hey! Hey, 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 Filipino. Yeah, pare, Filipino tayo. Kumusta, pare? Kumusta ang kalayaan natin? Freedom. Freedom from our those corrupt politicians. Ben, Mexican grill. Yeah, fine. We're just gonna buy sashimi and soju before we're gonna hit the gym. So I'm gonna make a yeah. Hey, bro, what's going on, bro? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on, brother? Happy Friday. Happy, happy, happy Friday. Tit, 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 tit. I need to exercise first. I want some tuna sashimi. Tuna sashimi, tuna sashimi. And soju. Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do. Let's go to H Mart. H Mart, H Mart. Let's buy tuna, tuna sashimi. Gee, look at the weather. It's nice weather. It's 5, almost 6, but the weather is so good. California weather. La 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 la. Da da na 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 na. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. California weather. Shit. It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to go through. Find a boy, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. I was once like you now, and I don't know the lyrics, I forgot. Shit. Okay, almost there. Let's buy tuna. Tuna sashimi. Tuna sashimi. I'm gonna go to gym. We need some exercise. It's just a recall. Okay, almost there. H Mart, H Mart. Jim. Shit, what are you doing, man? Okay, we're here. H Mart groceries, Korean store. Let me see. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Yeah, that's the H Mart. Korea. I love this store. Wait, that's H Mart. H Mart. Where is the parking? There you go. This one is coming out. So we need to wait for that one. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There you go. 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 Go go. There you go. Go go. Let's see. Let's see. They're not coming out. Oh, it's coming. Coming out. Coming out. Coming out. 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 Coming out. Coming out. Coming out. 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 All right. Okie dokie. I have two parking space waiting. Here, what? H Mart. H Mart. H Mart. One of the cleanest grocery store, especially the fish. Fishes are so clean. Is he going out or no? Come on, man. Come on. Are you going out? Are you leaving? You waiting? Why are you waiting? You waiting for something or no? Oh shit! Come on! Come on, man. Come on. H Mart. I think I'm gonna go on the other side. He's not going out. He's not going out. He's not going out. Ah, I'm just gonna go out. Babush.